In this video, I'll show you how to verify phone number in 888 stars. Subscribe to the channel for more important videos like this. Before we continue, I want you to create a professional 888 stars account. To do that, click on registration, take the third option that says by email, fill in all your details correctly and create a password. In the promo code box, you're going to use the promo code RenzoTV. If you use the promo code, you're going to receive a 300% bonus on your first deposit. This means if you deposit $100, you're going to receive $300. Once you're done, click on the three boxes and register your account. Now let's continue. So if you want to verify a phone number in 8 stars, go over to your menu and there's an option at the top that says settings. So come over to security settings and then the first option says phone number. So to verify your phone number, you just have to add the phone number here. So you can go ahead by adding a phone number. In this case, you can add a number like, and this is confirm. You click on link. You are going to send a code to that phone number in which you input the code here, fill in this code, you put in this is just the captcha. So once you've done this, just click on next, and then the confirmation code that I sent to your SMS, you're going to paste it here, and if it's correct, your phone number is going to be verified. Subscribe to the channel for more important videos like this.